Traditional lead generation is broken. Still chasing leads manually? You're not just wasting time, you're falling behind. Ad costs are soaring, content fatigue is a real concern, and what used to work doesn't. How to build a 24/7 AI lead generation engine. In this video, you'll discover how small businesses are using AI to attract, capture, and convert leads without hiring a huge team or burning out. Insight #1. Static funnels or dead buyers don't follow straight lines anymore. Traditional funnels assume people move step by step, awareness, interest, decision. But buyers now bounce across tabs, revisit pages, and demand personalization. Your old funnel? It's a leaky bucket. Insight #2. AI powers smart lead engine systems that learn, adapt, and convert automatically. Smart lead engines use AI to personalize messages, track behavior, and optimize touchpoints. These aren't scripts, they're conversations that adapt in real time. Insight #3. 5 steps to build your AI lead system. Attract, capture, nurture, convert. Scale. It starts with smart content, then lead magnets, adaptive email, AI chatbots, and data-driven scaling. Each step builds on the last, creating a self-improving engine that never sleeps. Insight #4. The tools make it possible. You don't need a big team, just the right tech. Platforms like Jasper, Surfer, ConvertBox, ActiveCampaign, and Tidio automate what used to take teams. These tools connect, integrate, and scale your growth without complexity. Insight #5. Small businesses can compete and win. AI levels the playing field. Big brands rely on volume. Small businesses win with systems. Automate follow-ups, personalize offers, and run campaigns while you sleep. The result? More leads, less grind. Automated, intelligent, scalable, your lead engine awaits. Old funnels fail because they're slow and generic. AI-powered lead engines adapt, personalize, and scale, giving you a smarter, faster way to grow.